Hi guys, Nick here with another unboxing video, and today I'm unboxing something rather interesting. It is a notebook, but not just any notebook. This is the Rocketbook Everlast, and what makes this notebook so special is that it is reusable. So you can write as much as you want on the pages and you just simply wipe it off like you would on a whiteboard. And when you write down any notes, you can then take a photo with your smartphone and send it to an app for organizing later. But we'll get to that in a little bit more detail. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have. So we're going to open it up over here. And okay, so this is the simple cloth, microfiber cloth to wipe down the pages. Interesting. And let's try and get this guy out. Oh, there we go. Okay, and this is instructions on how to use the notebook. Interesting. Let's take the notebook to one side. I feel there's something over here. Let's try and open that up. And oh, okay, it's a pen. Always useful. What's the rest of the packaging? So simple ballpoint pen, here we go. It's got a little eraser at the end so you can erase some of your notes as you type. Looking at the actual notebook itself, it's got a couple pages in there. You can write all you want, but what I want to kind of focus on is the notebook actually categorizes, or it has different categories here that you can explain, and each category or each icon is available at the bottom of every page. So for example, this diamond icon could be notes for university, the apple icon could be maybe recipes or whatever you want. So whenever you're writing something on a page and you want to categorize that particular page, all you have to do is with the pen, you circle the category that you want or the icon you want at the bottom, and then when you want to then transcribe your notes or basically send them to the app or to Dropbox or anywhere else, you simply put the notebook flat on a flat surface, take a photo with your smartphone, and the accompanying app will automatically recognize which category you've circled and file it accordingly. The guys have also updated the app with OCR recognition, so if you have good writing, then it'll basically be able to differentiate each of the characters that you have written or you've styled, and will recognize it accordingly and change it into plain text. Like I said before, this is a reusable notebook, so if I say I'm going to write something on the page now, I'll write hello, and then with the microfiber cloth, you're supposed to wet it a little bit, but let me see if it works straight away. Probably not as good on a dry cloth, but you can see that it's doing pretty good. Obviously when it's slightly moistened it's a little bit better, but you can also use the eraser at the other end to go ahead and just clean it up a little bit, like so. Very cool. So yeah, that is the Rocketbook Everlast. It is a reusable notebook that can be used basically as many times as you like. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this notebook. Would you buy one of these? And we'll see you in an unboxing video very soon.